Time does not disappear, it waits. It waits in the forgotten corners of our lives, inside things we deem old, broken, or useless. In a quaint antique shop, nestled in a small town, an old pocket watch sits on a dusty shelf, abandoned for 20 long years. This tarnished silver watch, with its scratched face and cracked leather strap, whispers tales of neglect. Many have gazed upon it, but none have chosen to take it home. The watch, clearly broken and silent, holds an echo of its former glory, waiting for someone to see its truth. Mr. Peterson, the shop's elderly owner, tends to the cluttered space where memories linger. He recalls how every few months, a curious soul would inquire about the watch. "That watch is broken," he would reply. "I should throw it away, but I keep it for some reason." Then one fateful day, a young man named David enters. At 25, David has a passion for old things and history. He wanders through the shop, and his gaze lands upon the neglected watch. He lifts it, feeling its weight, and shakes it gently, hearing, "It's been broken for as long as I can remember," Mr. Peterson warns. "If you want a watch, I have better ones." But David, captivated, asks, "How much for this watch?" Mr. Peterson shrugs, $5, but it's just junk. With a determined smile, David responds, "I'll take it." The old man is surprised. He wonders what drives this young man to purchase a broken relic. "Because I think it can be fixed," David replies. Maybe. Later, in the solitude of his room, David sits at his desk surrounded by tools. He remembers the lessons taught by his grandfather, a master watchmaker. Carefully, he opens the back of the watch, revealing a complex world of gears and springs, many rusty, some broken. Most would deem it worthless, beyond repair, destined for the trash. Yet David sees potential. He envisions what the watch once was and what it could become. With unwavering resolve, he dedicates 2 weeks to its restoration, cleaning, repairing, and replacing components. As the days pass, doubt creeps in. Maybe Mr. Peterson was right, he thinks. Perhaps this watch is just junk. But he pushes through the uncertainty, fueled by belief in the watch's revival. Finally, after countless hours, he reassembles the timepiece, winds it up, and holds his breath. Tick, 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 the sound reverberates in the air. The watch is alive again, keeping time after years of silence. David marvels at its transformation, its beauty restored. Shining and functional, it becomes One day, a 90-year-old watchmaker, a man who has dedicated his life to the craft, notices David's exquisite watch. He requests a closer look. As he examines it, tears glisten in his eyes. "Do you know what this watch is?" he asks. David is taken aback. "You made this watch?" The old man nods. "I crafted it 70 years ago, pouring my heart and soul into it." He reveals that he sold it long ago, wondering what had become of it. "You restored my work," he says, gratitude in his voice. "You brought it back to life." The watch, once broken and forgotten, now symbolizes the enduring bond between creator and restorer, reminding us all of the beauty that lies within patience and belief.